Goldangiri scene, you can see there Indra. Did you see him? Take the curtains more shiny. Indra is not shown. Okay, that is Indra. Vrindavan people were praying Indra for rain. You see Krishna and Balram there. Krishna says, I can smell something. Balram says the smells are coming from there. Those are prasads. So Krishna goes there, tries to eat the prasad. Yashoda gets angry. She said, stop eating, Krishna. Radha is laughing. So Krishna and Balram took prasad from Radha. They started eating it. Nanda Maharaj got angry. What are you doing, Krishna, Balram? Then Krishna says, stop praying to Indra. He's doing his duty. We have to pray Govardhan Giri. Why are you praying Indra? Then Nanda Maharaj immediately goes and tells people, stop praying Indra. Start praying Govardhan Giri. Because Govardhan Giri is giving us everything. Now Indra got angry. He was disturbed. Why these people stop praying me and they started praying Govardhan Giri? Wait, I'll teach them a lesson. But Krishna is observing him because he's looking what Indra is going to do. Indra got so angry, he told, I'm going to punish all these people. There was so much of rains, floods in Vrindavan. He made every place in water and he was laughing. But Krishna got angry. Look at Krishna's angry there. He got angry. Can you teach a lesson, Indra? Wait. Clap for Krishna. Krishna and Balram on the way. They're getting ready to kill his uncle, Kans. And you will see the cruelty of Kans in Mathura, now in his kingdom now. We are in his mother's kingdom and you can see Kans. How is he torturing Vasudeva and Devaki still? They're waiting for their son. Vasudeva saying, Devaki, wait, our son is going to come. I heard he's coming. Just wait, he's coming. But Kans couldn't take it up. He got angry, he was waiting for Krishna. He started asking Vasudeva and Devaki. He's looking at them. Vasudeva, where is your son? He told he's going to come. And Vasudeva can feel that Krishna is right here. He came. He told, look, my son has come. He's there. Your death is waiting there. Kans, your death is waiting. Look, and Devaki eagerly looking. Is that my son Krishna? He's grown up so much. Devaki is looking at that. There is my son. There is my son. And Krishna and Balram on the way towards the king. And Mathura people welcoming him. Who can see Bhagavan? Come see him. But Devaki and Nanda there was a wrestling match. They were fighting with each and every one. But Balram hold both of them. And it's done. Krishna first time has lost them. And there he got it. He couldn't see those chains around them. He got angry. He pulled them out. He got so angry. He said, directly fight with guns. That's the wrestling match between them. He's fighting with his uncle. Balram says, stop, brother. This is done. Krishna killing Kans. जय बोलो कृष्ण महाराज की।